Why did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow? Ain't sleeping in my skin. Hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a fucking bridge. Cause I ain't gon' pay no
Alright,
toll.
so today I didn't talk too much. I woke up kind of late to leave, and I stayed up really late yesterday talking to my friends. I mainly just edited and did homework yesterday, and I uploaded. So if you guys did not watch last week's vlog, click right here. But I did just come back from the grocery store and school. I think I might actually just make an omelet for dinner because that sounds so good to me. I made a really good hearty one in the last vlog. After I went out, like the morning after, I made like a huge like omelet basically. I used 4 eggs. So I think tonight I'm gonna make it with 3 eggs, so not as intense, but we're gonna put the same things in it plus the Havarti cheese. I really love cheese, but I'm lactose intolerant, so it doesn't really work out.
Had to ask you how you doing, baby, lately. I know it's awkward, all the tension between us like crazy. But broken bottles, open Bibles on a hotel floor. Broke a lot of, said a lot of shit that told myself that I'm alright. Told my friends I'll be fine. Told my mom that I got friends, I still do. I do. And oh, I feel all alone. Turning on my bed, scrolling fast on my phone like, oh, I would grow. Be a better son, call my mom a little more. But I'm messed up, and trust me, I know I could do better, oh, I know for sure. Stressed out, oh baby, I know I'm lost and I know for sure. I know, okay. I know. I look into the mirror, I'm like, who this is? I listen to his songs.
Kanako. Oh no, not again. Hey. Oh wait, I'm looking at the viewfinder, not the camera. Hey. I'm trying to film a productive week in my life, right? But he's not letting me be productive. I'm reading.
I say for my besties, always right, no lefty. Oh, don't stress me, double OT. I need more sleep, so don't test me. I don't want things to get messy. Yeah, drop down and leave your ass empty. Yeah, like I just wanna hit delete. Come and test me, hit you with that smite. I'm inside the jungle, I said, little baby, I be buzzing. You want bumble, she want fuck, don't be coming at me. Skinny boy, you need beef. I wanna drop that to school, nobody be testing me. This not no quiz, mom.
I know this vlog has been kind of quiet thus far, but I thought I'd keep my productive week of my life kind of quiet and just show you guys how I work really well in that kind of environment. So yeah, I know this is my first time like speaking thoroughly in this week's vlog, but I thought I'd just share with you guys what I have going on. I do have a lot of assignments due, and I'm actually leaving for the weekend to go to Belgium with my friends, so you guys will see footage from that and on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram at @LisaXFan. But I have lots to do, and it's also my roommate's birthday on Thursday, so I have some things to do for that, and you guys will see that as well. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this week's video. But yeah, That's on September 19th, and I got up early to head to Gale's again, and I'm here with Catherine today, and we're having a small breakfast before we go to our study visit for cultures today. This is our investment for the day. I have my normal little sandwich and a pastry. Catherine, what do you have?
I have an oat milk porridge with blueberries on top, and then this is a peach cinnamon crumble.
So we are now at, I don't know where we are, but we're in the city and we're doing class and we're walking towards the river so we can do some poem reading and like learning about London and like buildings and things like that. We have a presentation later in the year about buildings and paintings, so hopefully I find a building today that I want to write about or present about. So yeah, really pretty views right now. I should probably show you guys instead of my face.
넌 나의 영감님 그 영감 말고.
And then I'm gonna go do some homework, like late night homework with my friends in the lounge. Let's keep going with the day. The day's not over.
Want it all now, wanna get her to the top, I wanna find out what they seeing, can't afford to close my eyes now. We on the way up, we gotta stay up.
Where are you?
Ow! Hi! I just took my first exam of college.
Woo! And he took it this morning too, and I don't take that class. Yay! Anyway, guys, today is Hannah's birthday, so we had breakfast this morning, and I'm heading to class now. I have calc at 1. That's the only class I have today for 2 hours, and then I have a little chat with my, I guess, I wrote like 3.5. I don't know what to call her. She's my IC, my international coordinator. She's basically the person you go to if you need something, but we have to do this little chat thing, so I'm doing that. And you're being so loud. This is Kebab. He's like, well, he's my little brother.
What are you talking about?
He's a
1 month older. You're 1 month older.
He can talk, guys.
I can't tell you on camera.
Negative, the function has to be. We do have a point of the tangent line. Next week we do problem, practice. No new concepts for next week, practice. Okay? So make sure I'm going to update these slides tomorrow.
She's fast. I don't. This is Jennifer.
Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Like hello screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that yellow needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal cause the camera all I shoot. Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue.
So it is my roommate Hannah's birthday, and we're celebrating with Chinese food for dinner, and then we're gonna have some vegan cupcakes. Super cute. Me and Catherine picked those up earlier from Hummingbird, and then Madison, both Maddies and Hannah chose our dinner. So good. I'm so excited. Okay. Happy birthday to you. I'm vlogging. Say hi. Okay, I'm in my room right now, so we're gonna talk to my roomie slash bestie, She hates me, but it's fine. Like, I love her. Maddie, I'm vlogging. Say hello. Hi, vlog.
This tea is from Fortnum & Mason.
Do a swatch. Do a swatch.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Ooh.
Preston, will you marry me? Yes. Aww.
Oh my god, I just witnessed a proposal. Tonight's coming to
No
an
one
end.
cares about your night.
Kevin!
Catherine. Explain how you say crisp again.
Guys. If you say the word crisp, it starts from the back of your mouth and it goes forward. It goes crisp.
You stupid.
I'm reading my
Theater
what is this
review.
called? Theater review.
No one cares.
You have to double space it.
I will.
Look.
Did you see that? Oh my god. So nasty. It was like right here. And then like it almost like slipped inwards. I was like, see, it says your passcode. Are you assuming you look? Maybe if you like just morph your face like
Like, put my hair like right here.
it'll work. See, they look exactly the same.
No?
Yeah.
I look better.
I'm prettier.
Oh yeah, never mind.
What'd you get your SAT?
50-60.
No, you didn't.
Bruh.
I got 15-20.
You got a 1560?
Bruh.
You're lying. Kebab, guess my SAT.
Kebab.
I'm like giving you a chance to roast me right now.
Bruh.
I'm sorry. Attachment issues. Come
Small
on.
cut.
Okay, just.
Oh, I need a new battery, but we have a 9 a.m. right now.
Ryan, here. Lisa.
Here. We're now at Starbucks. We've been here for quite a while, but I haven't gotten much done because I don't like the intro of my essay again, and I want to start over, but I know maybe in like a day I probably will not stand it like as much, but I think I'm going to procrastinate until the last minute again because it's due Tuesday night. And I wanted to get it done before this weekend so I can be like carefree, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Like I have zero inspiration to finish this paper, so I think I'm just gonna end up editing today. And then we had a 9 a.m. I showed you guys. Then we have a study visit at 5, and it's currently like 1:30. And so we're just gonna sit here at the Starbucks across from the British Museum for quite a while because our class is at the British Museum again, and we're doing it for our writing class, and we're like describing an object and artifact from there. So that's what we're doing. But Catherine and I are trying to be productive at Starbucks, and I think I'm just gonna edit. And that concludes my productive week in my life. Thank you guys so much for watching. All I did for the rest of the night was pack, and then we went out for my friend's birthday. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties!
That's just so suspect.
Say suspect.
I say suspect.
Sus.
I don't like saying sus.
Sus. You're suspect. You're sus. What does that even mean?
Suspect means the same thing as
Sus.
sus.
Bruh.
This my niche, play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just sow and reap. With that ease, hella clean, rips all on your knees. That's that work when you hurt, my head full of steam. I got lucid dreams, I make movie scenes.